Joe Beermaster. We have a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to put down the rear stow and go seats now. My previous video showed you the front ones, but this one's kind of self-explanatory. They kind of have 1, 2, 3, 4 straps, so you got to follow that order. 2 people have to do it, so we're both going to pull 1 and pull 2, 3, and then 4. Now that is cool, and that's amazing. You can do the same thing for the front seats. They'll disappear in the floor and you can use it as a cargo van. Pretty cool. And put it back, you want to just reverse the process. Put them now, okay, now we're going to put them back up. Go ahead, grab 4, flip it up. 2 and 4 together. 2 and 4 together. I'm going to film here, so same thing. And you pretty much skip 3, so that's it. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.